Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, there definitely will be some plasterboard. Guaranteed. As I mentioned, yeah, there definitely is plasterboard. We're kicking off on this episode. The ceiling is boarded. One of the lads, Clow, came over and helped me to put the plasterboard up because, let's face it, full sheets of 13mm plasterboard are quite heavy. There's no footage of this, but let me paint you a picture. Me, if you're Spanish, Clow, not a word of English. Between us, putting plasterboard up on the ceiling. Also, the new lights are in, which I think at this point were wired into the existing wiring. And let's go from there.
Been busy. It's insanely bright in here because of the new lights. Bit down up. See, one lights came in hand putting the ceiling up, which is what I did with them. And yeah, so that's ready to be skimmed. Did a little test piece on this wall with the dot and dab blue, which stuck really well to the paint. Unfortunately, the paint knocked so well to the wall, so all that's got to come off. I'm not lying, I'm a bit bored with that now, so I'm going to kick off with, so the plan, so this wall's going to get skimmed, because the only visible part is going to be the top bit up there. So, and it is fairly flat, so I'm just going to give that a quick skim coat and paint that. This one, admittedly, that's going to be hidden behind cabinets as well, but get that anywhere near flat, look at the state of it. It's just easier to stick 3 board and use a plasterboard to it. Down here, the first thing I'm going to do is knock a little bit of hair and stick a bit of plasterboard that comes flush with these, and then when I put the main board over the top, cut a little rectangle, so there'll be a sort of slight recess. I'm a bit paranoid that, and rightly so, that with the plasterboard there's not going to be enough space, or it's going to be a bit tight there. I just want to give the wall fitting a bit of space. It's going to be a fine cupboard anyway, it doesn't really matter. That wasn't get dot and dabbed. So all this is prepared, it's ready to roll. It's just this wall, not so much. Yeah, got it. I might just do it in stripes where the glue's going to go. Because I say I've already removed. Actually, some of it there's a bag of paint out there. It must be about 2-3 kilos of paint that's come off the walls thus far. Anyway, yeah, it's come on. Oh yeah, and I filled the hole in yesterday. So the floor's ready to rock. It has been established. That corner over there is low. Bought a bag of self-leveling compound yesterday. So that'll be going in there. But the plan is plaster, boards, all done, painted before we even look at the floor. And then once everything's painted, the floor's done, down, there's just getting on with the kitchen. Maybe we'll get something sorted out this weekend. But yeah, just getting to IKEA, because there's an awful lot of stuff not available currently online, which is worrying. When I say not a lot of stuff, it's the stuff I want. But anyway, going to get amongst it. So, as you can see, been busy with the dot and dab. It's got 2 more sheets of plasterboard to stick up there because I'm waiting for them to be delivered, along with some more glue and stuff. So, in here, take joints, skim the joints, maybe skim the whole lot, I don't know, skim that wall. They're ready for paint, which is still very exciting because once we've painted, then we can do the floor, then ready for the kitchen. And that in itself is a whole other tale. Ordering IKEA kitchen may well be a whole episode on just on that, because it's been emotional, it's fair to say. So yeah, I went away for the weekend, had a few days away from the madness here, and oh, there's water down there. Where's that come from? The weather was a little bit clement over the weekend apparently, because it seems the back door does in fact leak because the floor carries on the way out. Hopefully the new door for here and the kitchen's going to turn up fairly soon. Maybe before Christmas, who knows. But yeah, the water comes in, hence why the door frame's rotten, and runs down there if there's enough rain, and filled up the little hole there. Yeah, and that's the hot feed for the kitchen temporarily. It comes out in the bathroom here. We're just going to run round there to there until I dig the floor up in a line from there through there to there, along with the 2 pipes for the radiator. There's the other thing that's it's getting a little bit exciting, because once this is skimmed, whatever, finished, painted, can then hang the radiator, do the pipe work, temporarily hook it into the radiator in the bathroom, and there'll be heat in this here room, which will be nice. Yeah, again, I just went and got amongst it, and then got halfway through, thought I should be really making footage of this, but me knocking the shit out of stuff, not that interesting. But yeah, it was mentioned that maybe I should, if we're going to replace the door, I should do it sooner rather than later. So yeah, bought a pre-marco in Spanish. Marco being door frame, the door frame behind the door frame, pre-marco, that makes sense. So yeah, put it together, braced it, drew round it both sides, and there goes Dave. Oh mate, he's come to stay for a few weeks. not very helpful. Unfortunate. He's not even that great company, are you? Anyway, yeah, drew around it, cut both sides with the angle grinder, and then knocked out the little thin bricks, the mortar each side, and put the new one in, and yeah, the whole room has been skinned. The products that I've used, the joint compound for the drywall that I've got in the local builder merchant behaves the closest to British type pink plaster out of a lot of them. So that's what that wall's gone with, that bit there, and well, that whole wall gone through. I dare say Jesus at the shop, oh no, you're not supposed to use that for the whole thing, just the joints, but you know what, I have, tough. Because yeah, 2 coats is going for a reasonably smooth white finish, which I'm actually happy with. So, I'm going to tell you, scraped off the top floor, mopped it, yeah, just a quick rub down of the ceiling, and we are good for painting. Start waiting for the door. Try and hoping that the door gets here before put the floor down. Can't see it. Mind you, can't really paint. Oh, but it's not paint soon. It's pretty much dry, but yeah, that's not dry yet. Yeah, it's still this is dry though. That's right. I don't know what time frame of all this is. That might have been last week. Can't remember. Yeah. He does like shouting at stuff that, yeah, outside. Well, the switches that were, or switches and socket that were there, I just got the wires back to that junction box there and joined the line, the switch wire and line feed together in the box. So we've got these to work off the original wiring via the switch conduit, that's the word I'm after in English. Yeah. And yeah, I can't remember what to say about IKEA. Loads more stuff online. Sure, everything about. Like I said, I'll cover all that at some point in the future. Maybe when it gets here. So, yeah. Progress. So, as you can see, kitchen is painted. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, it's all white. That's right. And yeah, just going to finish off putting the rest of the little taps on. Please let that little things come out. And there's the waste and the cold hot water, isolation valves, and the valves for the cold hot, cold for the dishwasher. And yeah, after that, run the wires, up there, steps in the right direction, and yeah, happy. Very happy with that. So yeah, just crack on with that. We'll take it from there.
yet again, I've run out of clips to splice together into a video. So we're going to wrap that there. Next up, I believe we're going to be looking at me knocking the bottom of the wall out under the window and fitting doors. Once again, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Any thoughts, comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you next time.
So this is, where are we now? Oh, Friday the 4th of December. Okay.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try that again.
Morning. So,